So, okay, good morning, all of you. Today, I am going to teach you about the Albert's staining. Albert's staining, and listen or note down. Just like, just like Z. Nelson stain or AFB staining, Albert staining is also a specific type of staining method. Just like Jill Nielsen staining or AFB staining, Albert staining is also a specific method of differential staining. Why a specific method? Because Albert staining is done in the lab to identify the causative agent of diphtheria, that is Corynebacterium diphtheria. So Albert staining, it is done in the lab to identify the bacteria Corynebacterium diphtheria, and this Corynebacterium diphtheria is the causative agent of diphtheria. And all of you know that diphtheria, it is most common upper respiratory tract infection of child. Diphtheria, which is also known as Bhyagute rog in Nepali. So, in the lab, to identify or to confirm the diphtheria, throat swab culture is done. After throat swab culture, you will obtain the bacteria. So, whether the bacteria which is isolated from culturing of throat swab is Corynebacterium diphtheria or not. So, the presence of Corynebacterium diphtheria is confirmed by using Albert stain. So, it is also the name of this stain is also derived from the name of scientist Albert. So, David Alberts introduced a technique by which you can identify the Corynebacterium diphtheria. So thus it is known as Albert stain, and it is a differential stain and a specific stain. So why a specific? Because it can only use to identify a single species of bacteria which is Corynebacterium. Corynebacterium बाहेक अरू ब्याक्टेरियालाई यो स्टेनिङ मेथडले यो स्टेनिङ टेक्निकले स्टेन गर्दैन. अब क्वेश्चन आयो, वाई नट दिस स्टेन यूज टू स्टेन एनी अदर ब्याक्टेरिया एक्सेप्ट कोरिनीबैक्टेरियम. यसको कारण के छ त? व्हेन कोरिनीबैक्टेरियम grow in a culture medium, when Corynebacterium grow in a culture medium, it produce or storage a specific types of granules, food granules, which you had studied in bacteriology. What is the food granules? What are the different types of the food granules present in bacteria? Among that food granules, in case of Corynebacterium diphtheria, there is a specific type of metachromatic granules. There is a specific type of metachromatic granules that present only in case of Corynebacterium. That granules is known as volutin granules, or it is also known as metachromatic granules, or it is also known as Babes and Ornest granules. So remember, the granule which is present, the food granules which is present in case of bacteria Corynebacterium, which is causative agent of diphtheria, Corynebacterium. And you know that Corynebacterium, it is gram positive rod. So Corynebacterium produce a specific granules. Corynebacterium diphtheria, when grow in their culture medium produce a specific granules. That granules is known as either metachromatic granules, metachromatic metachromatic granule, metachromatic granules, or it is also known as volutin granules. Metachromatic granules, volutin granules, metachromatic granules, volutin granules, or it is also known as Babes Ernst granule. It is also known as Babes and Ernst granules. एउटै ग्रेनुल्सको डिफरेंट नाम छ र यो ग्रेनुल्स के हो त? This granules is a food materials. This granules, it is a food materials, or simply it is also called the food granules of Corynebacterium diphtheria, and it is made up from the polymetaphosphate. Polymetaphosphate, it composition of that granules is, or it mainly contains the polymetaphosphate. It mainly contains polymetaphosphate. That's why it is known as metachromatic granules. Another name is volutin granules or Babes Ernst granules. And remember why this stain is not used to stain any other bacteria. So the answer is that because this stain, Albert stain, cannot stain the bacteria. It used to stains the metachromatic granules or the food granules which present in a bacteria. So I am again repeating the same thing. Why this stain is known as a specific stain? Because this stain used to stain the granules. This stain, instead of staining the bacteria, it stains the granules. Which granules? Volutin granules or metachromatic granules. And by identifying or by observing these granules, you can confirm that the bacteria is Corynebacterium diphtheria, because such type of granules is not formed or not present in any other bacteria except Corynebacterium. Thus, Albert stain most commonly used to stain the volutin granules, metachromatic granules, or Babes Ernst granules present in Corynebacterium diphtheria. Thus, it is known as a specific stain. जसरी जिल निल्सन स्टेन एएफबी स्टेनले माइकोब्याक्टेरियालाई स्टेनिङ गर्न युज गरिन्छ, मात्रै माइकोब्याक्टेरिया स्पेसिसलाई। त्यस्तै अल्बर्ट स्टेन कसलाई युज गर्छ त? कोरिनीब्याक्टेरियमलाई। जबकि ग्राम स्टेनिङ इट इज कमन स्टेन हो। ग्राम स्टेनिङ त सबै ब्याक्टेरियालाई स्टेन गर्छ, कोरिनीब्याक्टेरियमलाई पनि त्यसले स्टेन गर्छ। तर बाई युजिङ ग्राम स्टेनिङ यू क्यान ओन्ली डिटेक्ट Corynebacterium as gram positive rod, but to confirm whether the gram positive rod is bacilli or Corynebacterium, for that purpose you have to done Albert stain. So thus Albert stain is known as specific stain. Now move towards the method or procedure of Albert stain. Before that, what are the stains or reagents used in the Albert stain, or what are the requirement? What is the requirement of Albert stain? Albert stain ल्याब मा गर्नको लागि के चाहिन्छ त? So requirements, first write down. सबभन्दा पहिला त के चाहियो? ब्याक्टेरिया चाहियो, कल्चर चाहियो। र याद गर्ने भलुटिन ग्रेनुल्स को लागि अलिकति ओल्ड कल्चर चाहिन्छ। एटलिस्ट 24 आवर्स ओल्ड कल्चर चाहिन्छ। वाइ? किनभने यङ कल्चरहरू छ भने त्यहाँ मेटाक्रोमेटिक ग्रानुल्सहरूको सङ्ख्या कम हुन्छ या हुँदै हुँदैन। ओल्ड कल्चर छ भने त्यो केसमा मेटाक्रोमेटिक ग्रानुल्सहरू धेरै हुन्छ। त्यसकारण कल्चर चाहिन्छ कमसेकम 24 आवर ओल्ड, जसलाई स्टेन गरेर आइडेन्टिफाई गर्ने हो। त्यसपछि चाहिन्छ रिएजेन्ट्स चाहिन्छ। रिएजेंट्स of Albert stain is commonly known as two reagent, and commonly they are known as Albert stain or reagent. Albert's reagent A and Albert's reagent B. This is commonly known as Albert stain A and Albert stain B. Albert stain A is toluidine blue. It is Albert stain A is toluidine blue A chemical, toluidine blue with malachite green. This reagent is known as Albert stain A or Albert stain reagent A, toluidine blue and malachite green. एउटा यो रिएजेन्ट युज हुन्छ अल्बर्ट स्टेनमा, toluidine blue plus malachite green and Albert reagent B, it is known as Albert iodine. It is known as Albert's iodine. So this is the reagents or chemical which is used in Albert staining. कुन chemical हो? दुईटा chemical. One is mixture of toluidine blue and malachite green, which is known as Albert reagent A, and another chemical is known as Albert's iodine, which is known as Albert reagent B. Another things which required is glass slide. Glass slide inoculating loop and water to wash the slide. Another requirement is water, blotting paper, etc. These are the general requirement to perform the Albert stain. So now procedure, method. How will you perform Albert stain? So like in any other staining, such as in gram staining, in AFB staining, the initial steps are similar. That is, first step in any staining is smear preparation. And you are very well familiar with smear preparation. So what is smear and how smear is prepared? At this time, it is not necessary to describe, because regarding smear preparation and smear fixation, I have already discussed with you in previous classes. So smear preparation, after smear preparation, the prepared smear must be fixed on the slide, and smear fixation is done by air drying followed by the heat fixation. यो स्मेयर कसरी बनाउने, स्मेयर कसरी फिक्स गर्ने, त्यो कुराहरू धेरैचोटि आइसकेछ। अब जब स्मेयर फिक्स भइसकेपछि त्यसपछि स्टेनिङ सुरु हुन्छ। सो थर्ड स्टेप इज नोन एज स्टेनिङ. स्मेयर प्रिपरेसन, स्मेयर फिक्सेसन. आफ्टर स्मेयर फिक्सेसन, द नेक्स्ट स्टेप अफ स्टेनिङ इज द स्टेनिङ. सो ड्युरिङ स्टेनिङ, place the slide with fixed smear on the staining rack. स्टेनिङ ऱ्याकमा स्लाइडलाई राख्ने कसरी स्मेयर माथि हुने गरी त्यसपछि कभर द स्मेयर विथ अल्बर्ट रिएजेन्ट ए दैट इज टोलुइडिन ब्लू एंड मालाकाइट ग्रीन cover the smear with Albert reagent A, which is the mixture of toluidine blue and malachite green, and leave it for 3 to 5 minutes. So listen, cover the smear with mixture of toluidine blue and malachite green and leave it for 3 to 5 minutes. After 3 to 5 minutes, wash it with water. After 3 to 5 minutes of exposure of Albert reagent A, wash it with water and then again cover the smear with Albert reagent B, which is known as Albert iodine. Cover the smear with Albert stain B and leave it for 1 minute. पहिलो रिएजेन्ट 3 देखि 5 मिनटसम्म राख्ने त्यसपछि स्लाइड वाश गरेर reagent B, which is also known as Albert's iodine, should be kept up to 1 minute. After 1 minute, again wash the slide. Again wash it with water. And allow to air dry. के गर्ने त जब अल्बर्ट्स आयोडिन राखिसकिन्छ 1 मिनेटसम्म छोड्ने त्यसपछि स्लाइडलाई वाश गर्ने स्लाइडलाई ड्राई गर्ने या ब्लटिङ पेपरले स्लाइडलाई पुछ्ने त्यसपछि दिस स्लाइड इज रेडी फर अब्जर्भेसन त्यसपछि यो स्लाइड लिएर कहाँ जाने त माइक्रोस्कोपीमा अब्जर्भेसन स्लाइडलाई अब्जर्भेसनमा लाने र अब्जर्भेसनमा जाँदा दुईटा कुरा अब्जर्भ गरिन्छ एउटा त ग्रानुल्सहरू अब्जर्भ गरिन्छ ग्रानुल्स so granules as it retains the color of toluidine blue and malachite green granules look like green black color. After Albert staining the granules which is present in Corynebacterium diphtheria is observed as green black color granules will be observed and other particle or other cells which is present along with these granules looks pale green color. In this way, if green and black color granules are observed, you can confirm that the bacteria is Corynebacterium diphtheria. So this is about अल्बर्ट स्टेनिङ एकदम सानो टपिक थियो अल्बर्ट स्टेनिङको बट इट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेन्ट किन इम्पोर्टेन्ट छ बिकज आई हेभ जस्ट टोल्ड यू डिप्थेरिया इज ए मोस्ट कमन डिजिज हो। यो बच्चाहरूको एकदम कमन डिजिजहरू हो र जो मान्छे पेडियाट्रिसियनहरूको नजिकमा ल्याब खोल्छ उनीहरूले कमसे कम दिनमा 2वटा 4वटा अल्बर्ट स्टेनिङ गर्नै पर्ने हुन्छ। त्यसकारण अल्बर्ट स्टेनिङ इट इज भेरी भेरी इम्पोर्टेन्ट हो। अब अनम्युटतिर गइरहेको छु। तिमीहरूलाई यो स्पेसली अल्बर्ट स्टेनमा केही कुरो सोध्नु छ भने भन्ने। ल छ केही सोध्नु पर्ने सोध्ने। ल अल्बर्ट स्टेनको बारेमा केही कुरा पनि सोध्नु छ भने सोध्ने। ल छ केही सोध्नु पर्ने अल्बर्ट स्टेनमा कि छैन? अल्बर्ट स्टेनमा केही सोध्नु पर्ने छ कि छैन? छ भने सोध्ने, छैन भने अगाडि बढ्नु पर्यो। ल के गर्ने भनौँ?